Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. The Buddha and his great disciples, Venerable Mahamoggallana, the chief disciple of the Buddha. Now, lessons 23. Venerable Mahamoggallana's Bhagama Tintanda. We are talking about Venerable Mahamoggallana, the second chief disciple of the Buddha. Edadekam Bhikkhve Mama Savakana Edi Mandana Yadida Mahamoggallana. Mahamoggallana is the foremost in psychic powers, supernatural powers. He can fly in the sky. He can create many body or many things, whatever he wants. Then, when Venerable Mahamoggallana fight with the Nandopananda dragon, then he create dragon body bigger than the Nandopananda in this way. Then, you see, Venerable Mahamoggallana took his final Pranayana. Many Taitiya and many robber thieves killed Venerable Mahamoggallana by cutting his body into many pieces. Although he is very powerful and psychic powers. Why? Because of his bad karma. And he had done very big karma in the past. That is why Venerable Mahamoggallana's bad karma. During fulfilling the 10 paramis to become chief disciple of the Buddha, one essential in 100,000 aeons, beginning from Anomadasi Buddha times up to our Gautama Buddha. But he also made some mistake. Some mistake means not so many, and then most of the life he was good and fulfilling parami. But when he made mistake, last time when he became Dusi Mara, he also did many bad karma toward the Buddha, Kakusanda Buddha and his disciples as a Dusi Mara. Because of this, then he sank into the hell for a long time. That is one of his bad karma. Another obvious karma is he killed his parents because of his wife's encouragement. His wife, wife, sometimes wife fulfill the parami to fulfill. Sometimes they also encourage the husbands to do very serious big karma, like Mahamoggallana here. Be careful. One day, the Buddha was living in Veluvana monastery. Many deity, naked monk from other religions maybe Jain religions. Now their religions is still existing in the India country. They don't wear any clothes on their body. They are naked. But many people also respect and revere such kinds of naked monk in India until now. Is it? They have one kind of meeting within the community of naked monks. Jana Daudo Gena Karanina Samanasa Gorama Lapa Sakaro Maha Hotowa Nibado. Do you know Samana Gorama, Yahanji Gorama? Is it? Samana Gorama has a lot of gain, lava, a lot of respect, honor from many peoples. Why he gained, why he has a lot of gain and honor, respect by many peoples. Mayana Janama, we don't know. Do you know this reason? They are discussing each other. Then some naked monk says, Ama Janama, we know. Samana Gautama and many Bhikkhu Sanghas and Gautama's communities, Gautama Buddha's community, maybe they say Samana Gautama's communities. They have a lot of lava gains. They have a lot of sakara, honor, respect. Many people offer many requisites to them. Many people also respect them. Because of Mahamaukalana, within their discussion, this topic came to Mahamaukalana. Why? Mahamaukalana, sometimes he go to Devarams. Then when he sees Deva with a lot of mentions and happiness, prosperities and Devaram, he asks, where did you come from? Then they answer, we came from human realms. What kinds of karma did you do in human realms? Then they also answer, we did such kinds of karma, for example, dana, generosity. We offer monastery, we offer rope, food, medicine to Bhikkhu Sangha headed by the Buddha. That is why after passing away, we become Deva. We have a lot of happiness, prosperity as a Deva. Very tall mansions, very tall houses. The tallest houses they are not in Emirates, not in Dubai, not in China. If you don't believe, you go to Devarams. Then, because after knowing their past karma, then he came down to descend down to the human realm and he speak out. He gave the Dhammatos to the human being. I saw many Deva and Devi and Devarams with a lot of happiness. When they were human beings, they did such kinds of dana kusala. They did such kinds of sila kusala. They also practiced meditation because of those kusala karma. Now they are Deva after passing away from human realms. There's no suffering in Deva realms. Only they have happiness, enjoyment of such a pleasure. Is it? A lot of such a pleasure. They go to other countries, for example, like Myanmar, go to USA, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, etc. Why? They want to find the money. They want to enjoy with the sensual pleasure. If they really wish to enjoy with the such a pleasure, no need to go. Just do kusala, dana as far as they can. Especially maintain 5 precepts not to break. Very easy to get such kinds of happiness. Very easy. Also, when you obtain one time, it will never disappear for whole life. Not like human being. Human being not sure. Sometimes they are rich person, sometimes become poor person because of many reasons. Fire, gain, government, or something like this. Many robber, thief, water, many dangers. In Devaram, you will not experience such kinds of danger when you obtain the happiness or the prosperity once. Is it? Because of Kusala Karma. Then because of Venerable Moggallana's explanation, then many people also believe and do Dana Kusala, Sila Kusala, especially they offer a lot of requests to the Buddha Sasana. Then, in other religions, naked man don't have even very difficult to give the food to eat. They are eating poorly, they are living in very poor kuti, etc. That is why they cannot compare with the Buddha Sasana, Buddha dispensation. This topic come to the Venerable Moggallana. It is also true, but actually there will be also problem for Moggallana, is it? His karma come there. Then sometimes Venerable Moggallana also went to hell. Then they are experiencing a lot of suffering and they have burning their body with the fire. Or they also have a lot of suffering because of tortured by hell beings with a lot of weapons. There's no happiness in hell all the times. They are experiencing a lot of sufferings constantly. At the time, Venerable Moggallana asked, what kinds of karma did you do? Especially, but previously I was a human being, but I keep many living beings for my whole life. I take others' property what is not given. I did such a misconduct in human realm. I lied. I took intoxicants and drug for my whole life. I forget to do Dana, Kusala, generosity, Sila, to observe 5 precepts. I also forget to reflect on old age, sickness, and death. Then I forget to practice meditation. That is why I waste my time and whole life as a human being. Finally, I became being in the hell after passing away from human realms. They also answer many different hell beings with the different suffering because they did different kinds of akusala karma as a human being in human realms. Is it? Then Venerable Moggallana also brought such kinds of informations to human realm. Then I saw many hell beings with a lot of different sufferings. They did such kinds of karma. If you are afraid of experiencing such kinds of suffering in hell, you should avoid such kinds of things. Don't kill living beings. Don't take others' property. What is not given. Don't do such a misconduct. Don't lie. Don't use drug. Don't drink wine, alcohol, etc. Because of this, because of his encouragement, many people also avoid. They do dana, generosity more and more. They keep the precepts not to break. They revere Bhikkhu Sangha headed by the Buddha. They offer many requests to Bhikkhu Sangha led by the Buddha because of this, okay, they obtain a lot of lava, a lot of requisites, a lot of honors, a lot of respect by many people. They don't care naked monks and other religions. Yeah. How to do? If we can kill Mahamoggallana, if we can kill Mahamoggallana, all gain lava, sakara, siloka, the respect, honor from the people will come to our sasana. Oh, naked monk sasana, is it? Jain sasana. They are discussing. Then how should we do? Okay, we will keep Moggallana. Oh, they decided to kill Moggallana in this meeting. 500 naked monks. 500, no? Then how they do? They encourage their devotee. There are also many devotee who revere the naked monk. But compared to the Buddha Sasana, lesser than the Buddha Sasana. But they also have their own followers. You see, Phaya Pritane, Devada Pritane. The Buddha also have the Buddha's follower. Devadatta also has Devadatta's follower. Maybe more and less will be different, is it? So when they encourage their followers to offer some money, they also collect the money from their devotee, their follower, then they obtain 1,000 US dollar. 1,000 currency during the Buddha times. Maybe there must be very big amount of money. Then using those 1,000 money, they ask the robber, thief, to kill 500 thieves, not only one. 500 thieves. Okay, we have 1,000 currency. You can get. Kill Venerable Moggallana quietly. Then 500 robber also okay. Then they take this responsibility to kill Venerable Moggallana. During this time, Venerable Moggallana was spending his wasa in Kalasila monastery and near Rajagaha city. There will be the last wasa. The Buddha's 45 wasa, Venerable Moggallana and Venerable Sariputta's 44 wasas. 44th wasas. Is it? When the Venerable Moggallana was spending his wasa in Kalasila mountain, Kalasila, Black Stone Mountain, no? Black Stone monastery in the mountain near Rajagaha city. Venerable Moggallana was living in his kuti alone. At that time, 500 surrounded this kuti, his kuti, to kill Venerable Moggallana. What happened? Venerable Moggallana news, many 500 thieves are coming to my kuti to kill me. Then he is a very powerful and psychic power. Then he come out from the hole of the door. Key, no? Key, there's a small hole. Then Venerable Moggallana went out of the door from his kuti. When they go to see Venerable Moggallana in his kuti, no one there. They don't see. Then they return again. This is the first month in the wasa. In the second month, 500 robbers also come to Venerable Moggallana to kill again. They surrounded Venerable Moggallana's kuti again. Then Venerable Moggallana went out of his kuti by breaking the roof. No problem. Roof means no need to make very big, small one. Okay, enough. Then go out. Nobody can catch Venerable. Go catch Venerable Ma Moklana. Oh, no Ma Moklana. Then they return again. You know, Venerable Ma Moklana. The last month of the Waza, then 500 thieves came to kill Venerable Ma Moklana again. At that time, Venerable Ma Moklana reflected on his past karma. Why they are coming to kill me? Then finally, Venerable Ma Moklana found out, oh, I have done such kinds of big karma in the past. Although I can run away with my psychic power, but I cannot run away from my the result of bad karma that I had done in the past. Then he realized, you see, although he is very powerful in psychic power, he can fly in the sky, he can sink into the water or in the earth. With his psychic power, he can create everything, but he cannot avoid receiving his own result of bad karma. He understood. That is why that time he keep stay in his kuti without going out of his kuti. What is his bad karma? Later we'll explain, okay? Then 500 robbers, 500 thieves kill Venerable Ma Moklana. Not only regular or normal killing, Venerable Ma Moklana, you know, using a lot of sword, a lot of very sharp knife, they cut Venerable Ma Moklana into many pieces, become like rice. A lot of Venerable Ma Moklana body became into many pieces, like a lot of rice, okay, rice pounder, something like that. Then they throw away all Venerable Ma Moklana. Why 500 thieves? Not only one. Then how? Venerable Ma Moklana, he just received what they did. He didn't reply anything. You see, nobody can avoid the result of karma. That is why sometimes you are experiencing bad or good karma. Okay? The main reason is a karma that you had done in the past. But not only this one. Also, to avoid such kinds of karma, you have to do some kusala. Because of kusala, for example, you realize Nibbana. Mega jnana may completely destroy such kinds of bad karma. But the karma is very serious, like Venerable Ma Moklana. Sometimes cannot avoid. Is it? But although they throw away Venerable Ma Moklana's many body pieces into the bushes. But Venerable Ma Moklana, you know, cannot be killed by human being if he doesn't wash. That is why using his psychic power, jhana vedanena, then he make his body venerable again. Then all pieces of his body become Venerable Ma Moklana again with the psychic powers. Okay? Then he fly to the Buddha and took permission from the Buddha. Bande, I am going to take Prinibbana. I am going to take my final Prinibbana. Before taking Prinibbana, before final Prinibbana, they usually request from the Buddha. Then the Buddha also didn't prevent. Why? Last time I already mentioned. Don't take Prinibbana yet. Then if they say, then the Buddha also delight in the samsara. The Buddha also maybe allow their disciples to be delightful in samsara, something like that. attachment to life, existences, something like this. They may criticize. Okay, then you can take your Prinibbana if the Buddha encourage or allow easily like this. At the time also they were, Buddha phrase by Buddha phrase the dying, Buddha phrase the dead. Is it? They were criticized. Sometimes the Buddha need to be careful to avoid the criticisms from others. Why? Sometimes they have no knowledge, but they criticize the Buddha or Arahanta will be Ariyupavara Karma. This Ariyupavara Karma accusing noble person will send this person to fall into Upu state. Because of this, usually the Buddha was very careful with everything. Then how the Buddha allowed Parinibbana Yesati Moggallana. Then according to Venerable Moggallana's request, where you take Parinibbana Moggallana, only like this, only just reply what he says. He didn't encourage or he didn't prevent his taking Parinibbana. Is it? Are you going to take Parinibbana Moggallana? Like this only. Then, Ama Bhante, yes Bhante, where do you want to take your Parinibbana? The Buddha only just says in this way. Kala Sila Bhante, Kala Sila Monastery, Bloodstone Monastery, where I am spending Vasa Bhante. Other times, then the Buddha encouraged, as usual, like Venerable Venerable Sariputta, etc. Then Dhammagadehi Moggallana, you should give the Dhammas to your brother and sister, your Upasaka, Upasika, before taking your Parinibbana. According to the Buddha's encouragement, like Venerable Sariputta, Venerable Moggallana also flew in the sky. After that, get down and pay homage to the Buddha. After that, fly in the sky for like height of the 2 fan, 3, something like that. 3 fan, 4 fan, 5 or 7. Finally get down and pay homage to the Buddha. Then by standing in the sky, Venerable Moggallana also gave very special Dhamma by showing many psychic powers. Then because of his Dhamma talk, many became many also realize Nibbana, penetrate the Four Noble Truth. Also, is it? Finally, Venerable Moggallana went to the Kalasila monastery and took his final Parinibbana there. 44 Vasa. After taking Parinibbana of Sariputta, Parinibbana of Venerable Sariputta, then 1 week later, Venerable Moggallana took his final Parinibbana. Okay, Venerable Mahakassapa took his final Parinibbana. Fumonde or Dabodwe. This one, Venerable Moggallana, Labijo Koneye, 7th of after Fumonde, new Monday, new after Fumondes. Okay, something like that. Dabodwe Labijo Koneye. Then, when Venerable Moggallana took his final Parinibbana, then the new separate out the world. Venerable Moggallana was killed by robber, 500 robbers, 500 thieves. Then what will happen? At that time, Ajatasattu king in Rajaga country already became the devotee of the Buddha. Then he also arranged the spy from his royal palace to inquire, okay, to find out the reason who killed Venerable Moggallana. Then many spies are there. Spy, no? Many spies are there. Some Bhikkhu sa asyali, sa yogi, possible spine. Is it? Many spines there with different appearances. Is it? Then what happened? Many spies go to the cities to observe, to find out the killer of Venerable Moggallana. At that time, 500 robbers, they already got the dollar currencies from the naked monks. When they have money, what do they do? If you have too many money, as a layperson, where do you want to go? Go to bar, go to nightclub, go to beach, go to good restaurants. Here, 500 robbers go to bar to take the special alcohol. Then they were drinking special alcohol. When they become drunk, they become, unconscious because of power of alcohol. At that time, they quarrel each other, they fight each other, they beat each other, is it? At that time, one get angry. Why you beat me? Do you know who beat Venerable Moggallana first? I am the first person beating Venerable Moggallana. Oh, they can beat each other, is it? The other person was, oh, sure, I beat Moggallana first. I am moved, struggle ball. When they become drunk, then the stealing cases appear, obviously. If you want to know something, go to the bar together with this person and ask him to drink. When he began to say, whatever you want, you ask. Everything he will disclose. Here, when they become drunk, when they become unconscious, then they speak out everything. They don't hide. I beat Moggallana first. I beat Moggallana first. Then the spy, the police or the Ajatasattu came, catch them. Then everybody, how many? 500 robbers to the royal palace. Then Ajatasattu came also ask the robber, you kill Venerable Moggallana? Yes, Majesty. Who asked you to kill Venerable Moggallana? Naked ascetic Bandi, or naked ascetic Majesty, naked monk. Then Ajatasattu can also ask his men, please to catch the naked ascetic 500. 500 robber, 500 naked monks. Altogether 1,000. Then how to kill? Karma is not only Venerable Moggallana. Venerable Moggallana, how receive? I will say. Then Venerable like they kill Venerable Moggallana by cutting into many pieces. Very serious. Then how they receive because of this karma, even in this present life, you see here, they got all 500 robbers and 500 naked monks, altogether 1,000. Then they dig the pig in the near royal palace, in the yard or royal palace, 1,000 up to the waist. Then they put 500 naked monks and 500 robbers into the hole, into the bed. They cannot do anything. Then after that, they cover with the straw. Straw, is it? Dry glasses. Okay? On their head. After the bam, STROW, straw. Drying glasses, okay? Drying grasses. Then what will happen? They burn with the fire. You see? They are still alive, no? They burn with the fire. How they will do? They cannot go out. They cannot move their body. Tied by the rope. You see? Ajatasattu also keep them with this way. After burning their body with the dry grasses, then what will happen? Then they also plowed with the elephant, with the buffalo, with the oxes, bull, their body. They become into small pieces, like Venerable Moggallana's body, immediately in this present life. 1,000 naked monks and 1,000 robbers. They immediately experience the result of bad karma. Other times, they also die. After that, where they will go? Sure, they are still in the hell. Not only normal hell, Awiji hell. Why Venerable Moggallana's Arahanta? He is also chief disciple of the Buddha. They keep Venerable Moggallana making into small pieces. They will probably experience such kinds of suffering. The same result of bad karma even in this present life. After death, then they are in the Awiji hell until now. Then don't want to be their friend. Okay? Do you want to be their friend? Be careful. Huh? Don't want to be their friend. Why? When you go there, then you will meet, then become friends. That is why I don't want to go there. Try not to do such kinds of karma. Then what will happen? Many bhikkhu gathered in meditation hall, one places. As usual, they had some conversation regarding Venerable Moggallana, especially Venerable Moggallana. No? How? Venerable Moggallana is a foremost in psychic power, but he was killed by 500 robbers. Then his body became into many pieces. Actually, as he is a foremost in psychic power, it is not proper to die in this way. It is unbelievable. Why he died in this way? He is a foremost in psychic power. Or they are talking about in this way. It is not suitable. Such kinds of death is not suitable for Venerable Moggallana, as he is foremost in psychic power. Or they are talking about Venerable Moggallana. At that time, the Buddha came there and you are talking about in this way. Yes, Bhante. Yes, sure. It is not, this kinds of death is not suitable for my son Moggallana in this present life. But according to his bad karma that he had done in the past, it is suitable for him to die in this way because of his past karma. Then, what kinds of bad karma he did in the past, Bhante? Then the Buddha also talk about Venerable Moggallana's past karma. Do you want to know his past karma? Venerable Moggallana, long time ago in Varanasi country, Varanasi, no? Varanasi. There was a one classmate in rich family, Venerable Moggallana to be. Then Venerable Moggallana only one single child, single man in his family, but his parents become older and older, even maybe become blind. Cannot see anything. Venerable Moggallana to be was taking care of his parents carefully by making business, by even he got himself, he take shower, he take by his parents with his hand alone. At that time, his mother and father feel some kinds of feeling for his son. Oh, our son is taking care of Buddha. He is very tired. Also, he cook the food for us. He take shower. He did everything for us. If there's a one wife together with him, then it may be helpful for him. He will not be tired too much. Is it? Because of this, Then they also encourage their son. Oh, my son, you should get married with one lady. What you want? That you want? No, don't worry for me. I will take care of my parents with my hand. I don't want to marry. I don't want to get married with any lady. Many times he rejected. But they also feel a kind of feeling, a kind of compassion toward their son. That is why they also encourage many times. Then finally, okay, they already arranged. They arranged one lady from the same, level families from one lady from the other families. Then they arranged their marriage. Then Venerable Moggallana Dubhi got one wife because of arrangement of their parents without intention. Their intention is different, no? They don't want their son to be very tired with many duties. That is why they want their sons to get married with another lady. After marrying, what happened? They are very old and blind. They cannot see. Then all responsibility come to husband and wife. Is it? Then me only a few days took care of Moggallana to his parents carefully. After a few days, the lady showed its nature, habit. Don't want to take care, don't want to see. Even don't want to see. Why? Unnatured, don't want to see. Then, if they don't want to stay together with those old parents of Moggallana, then how? He requests Moggallana to be. I don't want to stay together with your parents at the same house. Then what happened? Then Moggallana to be didn't care. No, they are my parents. You should not do like this. You are also my wife. You should take care of my parents together with me as your parents. She also asked Venerable Moggallana to be in this way, but no. Then finally, what happened? Venerable Moggallana to be the wife. What happened? She arranged Sunday. When Venerable Moggallana to be went out to do his business, work. Then she got the rice. After that, put the rice porridge on the floor of the house, the whole floor. When the Venerable Moggallana to be come back to the house, the house is very dirty with a lot of porridge, a lot of rice. What they are doing? Your parents are doing in this way. Oh, she break. She slander between Venerable Moggallana and his parents. Wife, no? Well, not only one time, many times. Then Venerable Moggallana to be also believe what his wife said. Finally, okay, you must know who is me. Is it? Who I am. Then what happened? One day, even Venerable Moggallana already fulfilled 10 paramis for many lives, many world cycles. But because of his wife, then already broken with his parents in his mind. Then you must know about me. Then one day he arranged one vehicle. Then arranged his parents to go there because his parents were blind, don't see anything. Oh, my parents, we will go to our relatives in another village. But there we need to cross one forest. There was a lot of robbers. Be careful. Then okay, they by taking the vehicle went to the other village by passing the forest. At the middle of the forest, Okay, he gave the rope and the stick to his father. Father, there are a lot of robbers, thieves in this area. Then you just go what the bull goes. No, you don't need to do anything. Okay, I already arranged, but I need to get down to hide from the robber first. Then at the time, what happened? They don't know. They only just go according to the vehicle go. Then Venerama Maugalana disguised like the robber, shout loudly like the robber. I am Angulimala like this, is it? With the showing this. Then what happened? After that, you know, his parents are blind. Then he beat his parents with a stick, knife. Then he killed. Finally, he killed into the small pieces and throw away on the bushes. He killed his parents because of his wife. Do you want to have a wife? Okay, what happened? Okay, he killed his parents because of his wife. That is his first karma. This karma follow because after this life he fell into Awiji hell. Then he suffered a lot of suffering in the Awiji hell. When he come out from the Awiji hell, then sometimes because of some good karma, he became human being. In many 100 lives in human realms, he was killed by other people, like his parents. They kill, not only normal kill, make it into small pieces. That is the last life. Even that is the last life, and as Arahanta, he couldn't avoid killing others by cutting his body into small pieces. Is it? Oh, because of his karma, that is actually deserve to hands to die by cutting his body into small pieces according to his karma. Although he is very powerful in psychic power, then the Buddha says to Bhikkhu Sangha. In the same way, you know, many robbers also die by cutting into small pieces. Because they also keep Venerable Maugalana, innocent person, holy person. They also cut Venerable Maugalana's body into many small pieces. That is when they also die by cutting their body into small pieces. So both are suitable according to their karma. Okay, the Buddha says in this way. So after that, the Buddha continue. You know, if someone kill or if someone kill or abuse, insult holy person, which are very noble persons or very innocent persons, harmless persons, then they will probably experience 1 or 10 danda karma punishment even in this present life. Is it? What are the 10 danda karma punishments? Yeah. Well, you see? Maugalana Thera Watu. Okay, know these stanza, okay? And no much time left. Yo Dandena Adandesu Abado Tesu Dosati Dasana Minyadrantanang Kripa Miwa Nigechati. Oh, maybe reading stanza. Good. You see, you know, unarmed offense those who are. Okay, no problem. This one. Another one. Vedana Parusanja Ning Sarira Sewa Birana Krukan Wabi Abadan Jade K1 Jade K Banwa Babune Raja Dova Uba Zegan Abekanawa Daruna Barekayawa Nyadinam Bogananwa Babenguran Adhawaza Agarani Egidadi Bawako Kaya Sabira Dobinyo Nirian Soba Bejadi. The Buddha taught these four stanzas to the listeners. If someone's Padosando Pimare, if someone blame or insult other people who are innocent, who are harmless, who are holy persons, they were probably ruined by experiencing one of the 10 punishments, 10 causes of destructions. Is it 10 forms of suffering of those who had the harmless or holy persons? That's a danda. Okay, that's a danda, 10 danda karma punishments. What are they? Number 1, Vedana Parusan Jane. A being Vedana Jimya Pitchin, sharp pain, experiencing intense physical pain or suffering. Eh? No Vietnamese. Just now I saw what Vietnamese. No Khmer. No Khmer, maybe the Nyanadama don't have time. Okay? Vedana Parusan Jane. Not the one. Okay. Yes. Oh, have, no? Vedana Parusan Vedana. Parusan Vedana. Experiencing intense physical pain or sufferings. You see, can see? You see only the picture, very clear to understand. When they insult, when they kill the holy person who are innocent, who are harmless, then they will experience a kind of suffering, a kind of punishment even in this present life. Shabain and Prusan Vedana, they may experience intense physical pain or suffering. Sometimes I feel pain in my head, I feel pain in my body somewhere, and whatever. I feel pain in my head. I cannot cure this one. I cannot meditate. Why? Okay, maybe you may blame or you may insult some holy person. You may accuse some holy persons, innocent person who have sila samadhi panya, or your parents or your teachers or Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, noble persons, etc. Be careful. Number two, Sarira Saja Pirana. Sarira Sewa Pirana. Chibya Libya Sadi Pitchin. Bodily injury. Suffering from wounds, fractures, or other physical harms. You know, sometimes their hand cut by something, something like this. They may have some kinds of like accidents, car accidents, or fall down from the higher place, tree, etc. Then their body was cut, their hand, their feet cut. In this way, they can experience such kinds of things. Is it? Sarira Saja Vedana. they can experience now if they insult the holy persons, especially like the noble person, like Venerable Mahamoggallana. He is a Arahanta, foremost in sacred power. Number 3. Number 3. Gurugan Wabi Abadan. Atwin yoga zojimya pitchin. Contracting grave or chronic diseases constantly arise many different kinds of diseases in their body. Severe illness. For example, like cancer, different kinds of cancer. Also, HIV cannot be cured, something like this. Such kinds of diseases in their body. Is it not only small disease, not only temporary illness? This illness will follow until they died. Very serious disease. Gurugan Wabi Abadan. Also, Pekka Hata Eka Chekuka. Okay. One eye come out. Sometimes they cannot speak out. Something like this. Or sometimes maybe boil or do you have leprosy in their body? They cannot be cured. Something like this. They can also experience such kinds of diseases in their body. Okay, number 3. Then number 4. Mental distress. Experiencing mental anguish, anxiety, or insanity. They become mad, they become insane, they become crazy. They are normal persons, but after doing some, their mind become abnormal, not normal. Someone become abnormal. They insult the noble person or the person who are very innocent, very holy persons. Such kinds of things. Be careful. They can experience one of these. Number 4, they become abnormal, they become crazy, something like that. Be careful. Number 5, Rajadowa Upasakan. Rajadowa Upasakan. Membe tenjen. Calamities from the king, facing punishment or persecution from authorities. Okay. You know here in the picture, you can see or not? Very small, no? Want to see? Okay, no problem. Okay. The king will get punishments because of some reasons. Then they can also experience this in this way. Number 5, Abekana wa daruna chandan dosu se munya kayajin. Terrible slander break into 2 persons. Being falsely accused or defamed. Sometimes, actually he is innocent. He didn't take others' property, but someone will accuse him. You are thief. You take our property, something like this. He is not killer or the human being, for example. Some may accuse you kill this person, go to the jail, something like that. Sometimes he is innocent. He didn't do anything, but okay, some person will catch him as a thief or someone who commit a kind of illegal things, etc. Is it? They will also accuse you stay with my wife, something like this. Is it? possible. Then falsely accused. Falsely accused. It can be possible. Someone, so for example, you are meditating, they are together. Sometimes they accuse each other. You know, he is disturbing me, she is disturbing me. But actually, she is also living herself. But the other person think she is disturbing. Then go to the in charge. This yogi, this yali is disturbing me. He is making very noise in meditation hall. Maybe sometimes wrongly accused. Is it? Not sure. At that time, you just say, oh, why she accused me? I didn't do this one. I didn't do this one. Don't do this. You have such kinds of karma possible. Huh? Number 7. Prekaya wa nyatina. Prekaya wa nyatina. Swimyumya pyasijin. Lots of relatives. Losing family members or loved ones. Sometimes you are relying on this person. This person is leading your business, your house, everything. But finally, this person may pass away because of some reason. Then you have no reliable persons. No persons to take refuge in this way. In this way, you may also experience. Is it? For example, not only person with some persons, for example, caught falsely their relatives because of some reason, take by the police and put in the prison in this way. Then they can do anything in their business, something like that. It is also possible to experience. Number 8, Prekayam Bhoganam Babengura Zise Osa Pesije, destruction of wealth, losing one's possessions or wealth. It is also possible to experience. According to commentary explanation, Puti Bhavan, Abhijadi, you keep something like, for example, you are making business with the paddy or the beam, etc. They keep in their warehouse. It become spoil. It become spoil because of worm or because of Sunday. It become decayed. Is it decomposed? Then cannot be used. So sometimes even the gold become charcoal. Actually, even you sometimes okay, you have a lot of money. This money become paper. Nothing can be used like this. Is it? Sometimes possible. Paper, tapana, you have a lot of animals, but they have a kind of disease and they die. You cannot serve them. Something like this. Such kinds of destruction of the world. They can also experience such kinds of things. Number 9. Bhokanawa Pabengura. Agarani Egidadi. Destruction by fire. Having one's home or property destroyed by fire. Very easy, very clear. You see, many. Destroyed by fire. That is very obvious nowadays. Even the whole city, even the whole nearly the whole country, etc. Destroyed by the fire, including Hollywood. Is it? The number 10. Number 10, actually, this one is a number 10. Just now, the Vienna Proofs and Jhana, they're similar. Okay, no problem. They are different ideas. Kayasa Veda Niriyan Soba Pejadi Tebi now Ngaya Yauchin Rebirth and health. After that, being reborn in a health realms to endure further suffering. Okay. After that, they will go to hell. Yeah. You want to see hell here? Oh, okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. After that, they can experience the hell. According to the Mahabharata's commentary explanation, Jhani, you know, Vedanam proves and Jhani is a one of the danda punishment. Vedanam proves and Jhani. Jhani, Kicha Dikazada Dhanasa Jhani. They try to find the word, money, with a lot of difficulties, but they lost, something like this. Is it? That is one. Then after experiencing one of these 10 danda in this present lives, after passing away, they will probably fell into hell, lower realms. That is altogether 11. Actually. In this present life, 10, in future life will be reborn and have like this. If they accuse or if they blame or insult the holy persons, okay, altogether 10 or 11. Number 1, sharp pain, bodily injury, severe illness, mental distress, calamity from the king, terrible slander, loss of relatives, destruction of wealth, destruction by fire, rebirth in hell after death. So altogether 10 or 11. Okay. These are Venerable Maukalana, you see, during the fulfillment of his 10 parami to become chief disciple of the Buddha, sure in many lives he did many good karma, but sometimes he also did bad karma. Those obvious bad karma are here. Then, as a Dusimara, he also disturbed the Buddha and those disciples of the Buddha. Then that is why he reborn in hell at one time. Here also, because of his wife, slander, then he break with his parents. Then he killed his parents, making into small pieces. Then that is why after that he also fell into Vizya and he also experienced such kinds of suffering in many lives, 100 lives. Even this karma produced its result even in the last life as an arahanta. So there is a Venerable Moggallana's bad karma and maybe the Tipitaka, what we found. Okay? Again, understanding the result of bad karma by listening to Venerable Moggallana's bad karma stories, they may be able to avoid doing bad karma, may be able to accumulate good karma, kusala karma, until you realize Nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Thank you, Sayadaw, for today's teaching. For Rami Sayadaw, it is written in one book that Devada makes Garuka Kama, Anatta Rima Kama. The Kama that gives direct results is a schism in Sangha. The Vipaka that he accepted only up to this Kappa. The question is, why it is not according to the law of karma in terms of duration and the power of its siddhana? Will that karma not give results in a future life, just like the other karma, which could give results in many life until the attainment of Nibbana? Anumodana Sayadaw from Hassan, Indonesia. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
And the attainment of Nibbana. And the attainment of Nibbana, I'm not sure. When usually when the Devadatta also will become Pajika Buddha in the future, is it? Then when he becomes Pajika Buddha, he may experience a kind of bad karma results or maybe before becoming Pechika Buddha, he may experience the result of bad karma in some lives, or in this way. But if he became Pechika Buddha, he may not experience very serious bad karma like a Venerable Mahamoggallana. Is it? Venerable Mahamoggallana. What we understand is sometimes we need to answer or we need to understand according to the explanations in Tipitaka only. But Tipitaka does not mention Devadatta will experience the same result in when he becomes Pechika Buddha. It does not say in this way, is it? But because of schism and the Sangha, breaking, split into the Sangha, is it? And although he did a lot of bad karma, for example, making the Buddha's blood come out, making schism and Sangha, something like this. Many bad karma, but schism and Sangha, then be split into Sangha, within the Sangha. This karma produced the Devadatta to be reborn in Awiji hell. Then it also lasts for a long times. What he says is, in terms of duration, the power is certain, Chirana. Not according to the law of karma. Sure, the law of karma. He made the schism and karma. Usually the serious karma produce its result. Although he did a lot of bad karma. Is it? For example, one person kill living being, animal, or something. Even human being also maybe even normal person and key and very famous person, very higher person, etc. Then this karma will produce. The other karma become hidden, is it? The other karma is hidden compared to the very obvious karma. In the same way, he did a lot of agusala karma, then schism, making splitting into splitting the community of Bhikkhu Sangha is the most obvious and serious. That is when this karma produce. But in terms of the duration, the whole kappa, the whole kappa, not in future life, just like the other karma, which this karma not give result in the future. Not sometimes the same result. They will experience the same result. Sometimes not same. Okay, then he break the sangha. Then he will be break his community in the future. Not like this. Sometimes maybe different. Sometimes different. And the attainment of Nibbana. Okay, maybe his question is also not so clear. Is it? No problem. No problem. Sometimes Janeti Saridhampaka usually refers to the serious karma. Serious karma. Janeti Saridhampaka. For example, Mahagata happy karma. Jhana, if you attain 4 jhana, then you will be reborn in 4 jhana brahmaran, something like that. But if you do serious karma and bad thing, then they will also experience the same result. That's why I said the same results mean they will fall into Awiji hell. That is already a result. But they will break within community, their community in the hell, not like this. Okay?
Sadhu, 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 sadhu. Parami Sayadaw, if someone does dana not for the benefit of others, but only for gaining their own good karma, is this still considered dana? From anonymous attendees. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Only for gaining their own good karma, is it still considered as dana? Yes. Considers dana only beneficial and not too much beneficial, only will be different. Okay? For example, killing only beneficial or not only beneficial, only will be different. Okay, they were they were receive very great result or karma, or maybe small result or karma, only maybe different. Depends on their knowledge. Is it? For example, they kill mosquito. It is also considered panatipata. They kill elephant. That is also considered panatipata. They kill human being, even different levels of human being, also the same panatipata. But the karma is a different karma, serious. Although they are killing living beings as the same, but result will be different. Dana also, kusala side also the same. According to their chirana, their knowledge in doing dana, the result, the benefit will be small or big, will be different. Okay, share merits. Rabbi have done me to share your merits to all beings. Idame punya asawa kaya wahan hotu.
Idame punya asawa kaya wahan hotu.
Idame punya nibbana pajayo hotu.
Idame punya nibbana pajayo hotu.
Mama punya bagang sabha sadanam bhajemi.
Mama punya bagang sabha sadanam bhajemi.
Te sabe me sama punya bagang labandu.
Te tabe me tamam punya bagang labandu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.